This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by connecting to your data source right away. Open the file or server and choose the correct connection type. Once connected, scan the data grid and enable Data Interpreter to surface header rows and split combined fields. Make sure to inspect inferred data types, string versus date or number, and mark obvious nulls or duplicate key rows for later removal, because early profiling reduces surprises downstream and speeds up the cleaning workflow. Now you perform the core transforms. Start trimming whitespace and splitting combined fields into meaningful columns, then explicitly set each column's data type so aggregations behave predictably. Once done, create calculated fields for normalization, combine address parts, standardize date formats, or convert currencies, and use grouping or fuzzy match to merge variants. Make sure to replace or tag nulls and outliers, because consistent formats prevent broken visualizations. Finish by validating. Build quick charts, run count and sum checks, and compare key metrics to source totals so you confirm accuracy. Then create an extract if needed, set an appropriate refresh cadence, and publish the cleaned dataset to Tableau server or cloud with clear naming and documentation. If something goes wrong, first check the join logic and step history, then consult logs and revert the offending cleaning step to isolate the issue, because step-by-step rollback is the fastest fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.